All right, guys, today's little improvement episode, we are going to restore the rug in the family room. And we've got small kids ourselves. We're not really good at, kicking our shoes off and stuff like that. So this really pretty rug gets all nasty and dirty. And I think our motto here at Little Improvements is, instead of rushing out and buying a new one, we're just going to spend, 15 bucks or something, and or 20 bucks, and try to, improve the quality of the rug and try to get a second life out of it. So stay tuned, and thanks for joining. All right, you guys, so here's the deal. Here's what I'm using, or what I'm planning to use. We're gonna find out if this works or not. Got this little pump sprayer at Home Depot. I label mine Cleaning Solutions, this one, because I have a few others I use for, weed killers and stuff like that. I don't wanna get the two confused. So I got this I plan to use. LA's Totally Awesome degreaser from the 99-cent store. It's awesome. And then they're like oxygen cleaner, whatever. These are both $1 each. They're pretty good for what you pay for them. I'm planning to use, a scoop of this, a splash of this into here. We're gonna fill it up with hot water, see how far it gets us. We're gonna do a little pre-soak where I'm going to just spray, the solution over the rug. Mind you, we've already vacuumed it once. Gonna try to get it, nice and thoroughly soaked with the solution. And then here's kind of the big question mark. This is a buffer pad I got at a local automotive store that goes right into a drill. And we'll see if this thing's going to pull some of the dirt out or not. The plan is to pull dirt out, put it into a water bucket every so often, and just clean out some of the dirt, and then come back in and try to pull more dirt out, and just kind of do that process. After we do all that, I'm going to get the solution out of here. If there's anything left, just fill it up with hot water, go back over and spray one light round of hot water, and then going to use a rigid wet dry vacuum to just go over with a vacuum on the last step. And then that should be it. So here's kind of the big question mark right now. Hopefully this thing works, and yeah, we'll get started. All right, so our first step is to do a nice, slow, thorough vacuum, get up as much crap as possible. Also, little helpers are strongly encouraged during this process. Not going to show you the whole rug here, just a little section. I'm just doing the pre-soak with the solution, focusing on the really dirty points, running the buffer pad attachment, and after doing a good pass, rinsing it out in a bucket with water and OxiClean, coming back, doing another pass with a fresh pad, and a really good vacuum with the wet dry vac. As you can see before, pretty dirty. We got some pretty good results with a cheap buffer pad and cleaning solution. Hey, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and come back for more content.